Hey guys, Karrie here with Bunkie Life. In this video, we're going to teach you how to burn your bunkie. Today, I'm going to show you a cool technique for finishing the floor of the bunkie. This is a Japanese technique called Shou Sugi Ban. And basically, you're going to need a torch and a bucket of water. And I recommend a fire extinguisher as well, just in case. And the optional add-on is doing this with a baby strap too. That's for expert level only. So grab your torch and let's burn some wood.
I'll be fine by the seashore, by the seashore. I'll be fine, and I'll find love in Nova Scotia, in Nova Scotia. I'll find love, and when I go, I'll never write you, I'll never write you when I go, 'cause there's no heartbreak on the coast, no heartbreak. Sit in your apartment, you will sit, and you'll be sad, and you will miss me, and you will miss me, and be sad, but I won't care, in Nova Scotia, I won't care, 'cause there's no heartbreak on the coast, no heartbreak. I'll grow up in Nova Scotia, I'll grow up, and then grow old with my family, I'll grow old, and then one day I'll forget you, I'll just forget you one day, 'cause there's no heartbreak on the coast, no heartbreak.
Just keep on going.
I'll be fine, and I'll find.
Okay, so we finished the project. We put on a few coats of varathane just to give us some added durability. A couple of things that I would probably do differently in the future. If I could, I would do the wood before I installed it. That would be my preference, then you don't get any on the wall. Unfortunately, there's just no way to not get the edge of the wall just a little bit, so I'm just going to be adding some trim, and that's going to cover it right up, and you won't even notice. But if you can do it, you know, on the boards before you install them, it's definitely a little bit easier for sure. And other than that, it's pretty forgiving. We didn't bother to sand the floor. We swept it out and gave it a quick vacuum, and even that was not a total job, so it's pretty forgiving. It still looks great. Thanks for watching.